Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The total human deaths from malaria in history are estimated to be 50 to 60 billion, or half of all the people who have ever existed on earth. The smallest horse breed in the world and the largest. The ring used for close-ups in the filming of The Lord of the Rings. Vineyards plant rose bushes near grapevines as an early warning system. Since roses are more prone to mold and mildew, their infection signals the need for timely action to protect the vineyard. Webb telescope finds universe expanding 8% faster than expected. Boar skull versus the skull of a wolf. Equatorial Guinea is the smallest country in Africa to be a member of the United Nations. The volume of all the water on Earth and the Earth's atmosphere compared with that of the Earth itself. The difference between the size of the largest aircraft in the world and that of other regular aircrafts. A bison getting a blood test. Armadillos almost always have identical quadruplets. One fertilized egg splits into 4 embryos. Lack of sleep decreases oxygen available for the eyes and makes your eyes red. If you feel tiredness and your eyes get red, just place the cold wet washcloth on your eyes for up to 2 minutes. Benjamin Hornigold, a pirate, once led his crew to attack a ship solely to steal all their hats because the pirates had gotten drunk and thrown their hats overboard. A team of researchers at UC Irvine found that the average attention span on a screen in 2004 was 150 seconds. By 2012, it had dropped to 75 seconds, and recently it has just declined further to just 47 seconds. 25 feet anaconda compared to a human. Peter Dinklage with his daughter. He may not be perfect in looks, but he is surely a perfect father. The Danzia landforms are a masterpiece of nature. The colorful mountain ridges are just like an overturned palette from heaven. During 14th century plague outbreak, as people have no medication for the disease, they isolate the infected patients and the first quarantine was practiced. Raw milk can be contaminated with some notorious bacteria. Electric eels can zap out more than 600 volts. Sundogs often appear as colored areas of light to the left or right of the sun, 22 degrees distant and at the same distance above the horizon as the sun. Peanut butter was originally invented for people with no teeth. Wool fibers traps air in it, which does not allow our body heat to escape out and keeps us warm. Despite enormous heat outside, the temperature level in pyramids relatively remains constant, that is around 20 degrees Celsius. This is a simple way to check whether a mirror is genuine. There is no scientific difference between pigeon and dove. About a quarter of all overseas nurses come from the Philippines, making it the world's top suppliers of nurses. Zurich is a popular city for a number of reasons, including quality of life, location, recreation, diversity, public transport, air quality, financial situation. Professional racer Ho Pin Tung drove a Range Rover up the 999 steps of Heaven's Gate at a 45-degree angle after taking 99 hairpin turns over the infamous Tianmen Mountain Road all in just 22 minutes and 41 seconds. You should never use hot water from your faucets for cooking or drinking. Hot water pulls minerals, metals, including lead and other contaminants from boilers, hot water tanks, and pipes. Stagnant hot water also provides a hospitable environment for harmful bacteria growth. Number of unicorn founders from Indian universities. Predictions of the future in the 1900s. We will play sports underwater 1900. There will be high-speed police chases in the sky 1900. Public transport will be done by a giant pinball 1946. Snow melter 1950. Robots will be our cleaners 1900. We will have flying public transport 1900. Computerized desk for the home 1950. There will be 24-hour daylight 1950. We will have electronic Christmas cards 1950. There will be a highway to Russia 1950. Instruments will play themselves 1900. Mail will be posted in the air 1900. Thanks for watching.